Hello. Dito kami sa malamig na mamahaling lugar. Kami ng anak. May hinanap lang na laruan yung anak. Nagpalamig muna kami guys. Dito kami sa SM.
Kami si Madam Jason.
Iba?
99 nights.
Mga laruan. Hanap siya ng mga toys. Hindi naman toys as in. Yung parang parang Lego na magnetic na ewan. Yung hanap. Magkano yan?
699 mo.
699? Mahal pala yun. Patingin.
Sir, di raw sir. Hindi daw.
Ay, hindi.
Need to transfer or claim money anytime, anywhere, minus the hassle? Just head to any video remittance counter at SM Store and we'll take care of your transactions for you. At SM Store's BDO remit counter, remittance is always safe, easy, and convenient
Masyadong
the
light.
way it should be. Hello shoppers! Looking to exchange your foreign currency? Head over to SM Store's Currency Exchange Counter, your one-stop shop for all your foreign exchange needs. Trade your foreign banknotes with ease and enjoy real-time forex rates for major currencies,
Masyadong
including
yung
the
cellphone
US
ko,
dollar,
guys.
Japan yen, Hong Kong dollar, British pound, euro, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Singapore dollar, Swiss franc, Saudi riyal, Brunei dollar, Taiwan dollar, Thai baht, Korean won, and Chinese yuan. At SM Store Currency Exchange Counter, it's always safe, reliable, and
Parang
convenient.
nag-picture
Just the way you like it.
Bye-bye everyone. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.
Keep your energy high.